What's up, guys? So today we're going to do some VLM. So I'm going to show you how to do simple VLM. Alright? Low moisture cleaning, in case you didn't know. Alright, let's go. So this is in necessities here. I got some microfiber bonnets there, microfiber, some cotton. I got my pre-spray all mixed up in there. I'm using awesome ink cap from Ink Cap Store. Great product. Vacuum is $175. All right, this is the buffers. If you're looking to get into VLM, this is the cheapest way to go as far as mechanically, and I actually prefer it. That's why I got it out. And this is because whenever you're doing office cleaning, a lot of coffee spills. So this is our organic spotter, which would be peroxide. It's about 3%. So first off, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum everything. All right, so that's it for the vacuum. I didn't want to show too much of that. It's just there's people working and stuff in here. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is just go around and hit the organic with that little half-gallon pump up. All right. All right, so went ahead and hit it with the peroxide. Now pre-spray's mixed up. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray everything. And no agitation needed because I'm gonna be using these bonnets with the microfiber. They got little brush strips on it, so cleans and scrubs at the same time. All right, so yeah. All right, guys, so that's it. That's VLM, that's low moisture cleaning. And that's about the simplest process you can do. Once you have the chemistry that you know works well, you know what stains are what, as far as organic, artificial, or whatever. And you have the proper machine, something like this, costs you about $1,100, $1,200 brand new maybe nowadays. And the right pads, this microfiber pads, these things are awesome. All right, cotton pads, okay, but if you want to scrub first and then use a cotton pad, no problem. Like using the CRB after you pre-spray, kind of like how you do hot water extraction. Yeah, see, that's all the stuff it brings up. CRB in residential. And yeah, where was I going with that? Oh, okay. So yeah, in residential, you would pre-spray, use a CRB, agitate, or whatever type of scrubbing device you have, then extract. Well, with microfiber bonnets, it has these lines are actually a little scrubbing pad, so 90% of the stuff is gonna scrub right out and clean up. So it's beautiful. So the tougher areas you'll have to go ahead and spot and use the hand drill like I did. Those little spots in there, those are organic. They need a little bit more agitation so that process I can get into that stain a little better. Still didn't come out all the way, so I did a post spray on it. Okay, these are clean. So, you know, VLM, if you want to get started on full VLM setup, you can do it for about $2,000, guys. And what kind of business would you be able to run that you can actually make, say, if you break it down by hours, so like $100 an hour, you know, or more, depending on the situation. $100 an hour is kind of minimum. I actually, some jobs I make $400 an hour because my upsells, my pet treatments and stuff like that. So, but go ahead and do your math, right? Find out how much you're making per year, divide that by 2,000. Now you know how much you make per hour. So somebody asks you, how much you make per hour? You can say, well, I make $100 an hour, or I make $200 an hour. You know, it's funny, guys, is people talking about what they do, and then you say you're a carpet cleaner. They're kind of a carpet cleaner. You need a carpet cleaner. You know, like it ain't nothing special, right? If they ask you how much you guys are making an hour, you tell them a number like, what? Huh? How? You gotta be lying. It's not true. Yeah, funny. Not that I'm like trying to floss on people, but people just really don't understand how much money you can make in this industry. So VLM, that's how you do it, guys. Also for residential, same method, same everything. Okay, for residential, because it's got a longer pile, it's a good idea to go back over it with a cotton bonnet. All right, so got everything. Oh yeah, below this video, if you're looking to get into the business, Green Rhino Academy is there for you. There's a link down there below there. If you're already in business and you want to expand, or tools to help you make more money, that's going to really, you know, put you on the next level. Also, a link down there. And if you're wondering how I did most of that cleaning using both my hands, made it AI. Love them. Addition to my business for filming, because I do a lot of this stuff. Yeah, you know, they look cool, kind of. I look kind of nerdy. I mean, they look better on other people. I want to thank Meta AI for sponsoring this video. You know, shout out to Meta AI. You know, yeah, big props. Their glasses are amazing. I love them. You know, you can record at 3K, up to 3 minutes in recording. You could just start over once it runs out, so no big deal as far as editing. And yeah, they're not really sponsoring me, but Meta, go ahead and hook your boy up. See you in the next one.